Why doesn't there be any response when I press any button? Firstly, connect the product charger. Locate the reset button on the machine. And press and hold briefly to turn on the device. Once the device is turned on, you can proceed with the operation. Why does my machine automatically stop after only 1 or 2 seconds of operation when I press a button? This is because the machine's running time has not been set by connecting to the gateway yet. Insert the USB charging head, and connect it to a power source. After connecting to the gateway and network, the machine's running time needs to be set through the phone. After installing the machine cover, does it not work properly? Choose the buckle fit for your bead chain. Break off the excess baffle on the lid. How to restore factory settings. Find the reset button on the machine, press and hold for 5 seconds. After seeing the indicator light flash, continue to press and hold the button for 3 seconds to reset successfully. Gateway reset, press and hold the button on the gateway. Insert the USB charging head. After seeing the green indicator light, double-click the button twice, and the indicator light will start flashing alternately in green and blue. Wait for a few seconds, and if the blue light starts flashing, it means that the reset has been successful. How to determine whether the product is successfully connected from the indicator light. Before configuring the network, the indicator lights on the motor and gateway will flash continuously. If the indicator light on the motor does not flash, please refer to the reset method at 1 minute and 25 seconds in this video. After configuring the network, the indicator light on the motor does not flash, and the indicator light on the gateway stays on with a blue light.